In other news, the trial of activist and publisher Overrules Sowore has commenced at the Federal High Court in Abuja, with the prosecution calling its first witness in the alleged criminal defamation and cybercrime case against him. Sowore, convener of the Revolution Now protest, is being prosecuted by the Department of State Services DSS over comments made about President Tinubu on social media. Senior reporter Celestina Area has details.
Sowore is being prosecuted by the DSS for allegedly making a false claim against the person of President Bola Tinubu by referring to him as a criminal in a post he made on his X and Facebook accounts. The first prosecution witness, who was led in evidence in chief by the prosecuting lawyer Akinlolu Kehinde, said he is stationed at the Cyberspace Monitoring Center of the DSS and that his duty includes monitoring the cyberspace for 24 hours, day and night. The witness said in the course of his duty on August 26, 2025, at the Cyberspace Monitoring Center, he detected and monitored a post by the defendant Sowore through his X platform. He said the post referenced as such, in which Sowore said to this criminal at official bat actually went to Brazil to state that there is no more corruption under his regime in Nigeria. What audacity to lie shamelessly. End of quote. The witness said that when he came across the video which Sowore allegedly posted, under which the defendants wrote the statement, he, the witness, downloaded it and saved it in a flash drive and marked it XYZ. When shown the flash drive and the certificate of compliance, the witness identified them as the items he referred to, following which the prosecuting lawyer applied to tender them in evidence. Defense counsel Marshal Abubakar said he would reserve his objection, which he intends to raise at the appropriate time. Justice Muhammad Umar proceeded to admit the flash drive and the certificate of compliance in evidence. Kehinde then applied that the flash drive be played in the open court for everyone to see, a request that was granted by the judge, following which the video on the flash drive was played. The video showed President Tinubu speaking about the achievement of his administration and encouraged Brazilian businesses to invest in Nigeria because there is now a conducive business environment where there is no corruption. The witness said he made a screenshot of the reactions of people to Sowore's post of Tinubu's video. Seeing the reactions to Sowore's post, the DSS wrote a letter officially to the owners of X platform and Facebook through their email addresses. The letter were for the two social media platforms to take down the post by Sowore, considering the statement were generating tension. Anosike said the DSS also sent an official letter to the defendant through his lawyers, who acknowledged receipt of the letter. He said the letter was to demand that Sowore retract the inciting post that he made. The witness added, as expected, the letter which Sowore posted on his Facebook attracted reactions from Nigerians, both far and wide, and the reactions to the letter were disparaging to the DSS and painted the service in bad light. Mr. Kehinde proceeded to tender copies of the letter referred by the witness and his screenshots of the reactions to Sowore posts, which the court admitted in evidence. The witness told the court that Sowore's inciting post complicates the work of security agencies like DSS. At the conclusion of his evidence in chief, the court called Sowore's lawyer to proceed to cross-examine the witness, but in response, Abubakar begged the court for time to enable him to study the witness' testimony before he could cross-examine the witness. Although Akinlolu Kehinde objected to the adjournment sought by the defense, arguing that there was no basis for that, the judge agreed to adjourn the case but rejected Mr. Abubakar's request for a date in February. Justice Umar adjourned to January 27 for cross-examination and continuation of trial. Celestina Area, TVC News, Abuja.
Celestina joins me on the news tonight for more on this developing story. Celestina, based on the